Alright, so in this video, we will be answering two questions about implementing blended learning in the classroom. The first question is, what do you want the students to control? So here on my screen you can see this is a chemistry checklist that I created, and I should say up front, I got this idea from Mr. Holesworld .weebly.com. This is a teacher that is a master at blended learning, and he has made this website to share with other teachers to share his blended learning experience. So if you go to his website, you go over to the side here and click on the flipped mastery page and scroll down. He has this really cool setup that he has for walking students through all the stuff that they will complete in their flipped classroom. So I have this flipped checklist, which essentially makes the class the own student's pace. They get to choose the pace at which they work at, but there's a few directions on here. The students must complete each section by the time the plane leaves. There are links for the videos on Google Classroom. I will initial each section once it is done and record the scores. And lastly, once the plane ticket date is passed, then their grade will be entered as a 0 until they complete the assignment. So within each step, students will have the choice to do these different activities in the order that they choose. So in step 1, the base information, and I just made this one really general because I wanted to be able to adapt it for all my different chemistry units. But they'll probably have 1 or 2 videos, and after they watch the videos, they will come up and take a quick checkpoint quiz that's about 5 questions long. Once they take that, I will grade it with them. Their score will go in this spot. Okay. Once they complete both of those, they will also have a demo. Okay, and they can complete this demo at any time. They can do it before the videos, after the videos. It doesn't matter. It's a supplementary activity that they will come over and do with me at my demo table at the front of the classroom. Okay, and then right here there will be a certain date here that I'll adjust year to year, and that is the date in which the students must complete these objectives by. Next, the students will be going more in depth. So in this area, especially since it's a chemistry classroom, you'll see more demos here, probably labs because they will be using all the stuff that they've learned in the videos. Again, the scores will just go here, and then there will be some kind of big final assessment. So this is where you might see projects, tests, and quizzes, and again, scores here. What's nice is if all the scores go here on the side, by the time the unit is over, I can collect these sheets, double check the initials and the scores, and then go down the list and insert all the grades into the gradebook really quickly. The next question that I'll also answer in this video, just because it kind of pairs well, is what will be the primary role of the teacher in this classroom? And I've selected that the teacher will be providing face-to-face tutoring, guidance, and enrichment to supplement the learning. That's because the students will be doing a lot of these videos. They will be taking a lot of checkpoints. They're going to have questions. So I'll be roaming throughout the room. And then also, once the students get to these demo activities, these are activities where students might be using chemicals or stuff that might be potentially a little bit dangerous. I'll be around to help them with that. And these demos, they're not necessarily labs, but they're little activities where the students will be learning from the stuff that they did in the video. So that answers both the questions of what is the primary role of the teacher and what will the students control.